The legend is back, and it's more ferocious than ever. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS isn't just a sports car, it's a track monster sculpted by wind tunnels, forged in motorsport, and unleashed on public roads. Everything about this machine screams performance. From the moment you lay eyes on it, your heart knows it's something special. The aggressive stance, the massive rear wing, the carbon fiber hood vents, and razor-sharp aerodynamics aren't just for show. Every line, every vent, every scoop is there for one purpose: speed. Underneath the hood sits a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine, a masterpiece that revs to an ear, bleeding 9,500 RPM. It produces a raw, unfiltered 525 horsepower, screaming like a banshee with every tap of the throttle. But this isn't about straight-line muscle. The GT3 RS is built to dominate corners. Porsche has reworked the suspension, dialed in the chassis, and refined the aerodynamics to extract maximum grip and control. The result? It dances through corners with the precision of a scalpel, communicating every inch of road directly through your fingertips. This car isn't just fast, it's fast with purpose. 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds flat. A top speed brushing 190 miles per hour, and lap times that make supercars twice its price sweat. Porsche didn't just raise the bar, they launched it into orbit. The 2026 GT3 RS borrows heavily from Porsche's GT racing division. The influence is everywhere, from the swan-neck rear wing, designed for optimal downforce, to the active aerodynamics system that adapts in real time. Front louvers, rear diffusers, even the underbody, all work in harmony to glue this beast to the pavement. Step inside and you immediately feel the motorsport DNA. Carbon fiber bucket seats grip your body like a race harness. Alcantara lines the steering wheel, the dashboard, and the door panels. There's no clutter, no compromise, only focus. Porsche even offers the optional Weissach package, which strips even more weight using magnesium wheels, carbon fiber anti-roll bars, and titanium components. It's not about luxury, it's about lap times. Porsche has also added new tech to help the driver extract the maximum. There's a revised telemetry system that records lap data in real time. A new track mode allows you to fine-tune suspension stiffness, differential settings, and traction control levels independently. It's not just customizable, it's surgical. You're not just driving, you're engineering performance at your fingertips. And yet, despite all its track prowess, the GT3 RS remains road legal. Imagine pulling up to a coffee shop with that massive wing slicing the skyline. Heads turn, phones come out, and when you fire up that flat six with a bark that echoes off buildings, it becomes clear this isn't just a car. It's a declaration. Porsche has always balanced heritage with innovation, and this 2026 GT3 RS is no different. It honors the analog joy of driving with a high-revving engine and rear-wheel drive while pushing the limits of engineering with cutting-edge aerodynamics and chassis control. Even the PDK dual-clutch transmission is lightning-fast, delivering shifts in milliseconds while keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. And for purists, there's no manual option. That's not a flaw, that's a message. Porsche is saying this isn't about nostalgia. It's about the future of fast. Every detail of the GT3 RS is designed to deliver one thing: the ultimate driving experience. Not just in a straight line, but everywhere. On a mountain pass, on a racetrack, on your favorite back road. It's a machine that challenges you, rewards you, and raises your pulse with every mile. In a world of electric supercars and silent performance, the GT3 RS stands tall as a roaring, high-revving rebel. It's visceral, it's unapologetic, and it refuses to be silenced. The 2026 Porsche GT3 RS is not just another 911, it's the pinnacle, the edge of what's possible with a naturally aspirated engine and race-bred engineering. This is not a car you drive, it's a car you survive. And if you're lucky enough to get behind the wheel, you'll never want to get out.